She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Ever had pancakes for dessert? Today we're gonna make a delicious pancake coffee cake. That's gonna be a twist on a breakfast comfort food that's easy and I'm sure you're gonna love. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this pancake cake, but all the ingredients are gonna come together well to make a delicious twist on breakfast. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first we're going to start off by adding 1 cup of sour cream, 1/4 a cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that all together. Add 2 cups of dry pancake mix, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, So now to make the crumb topping, we're going to take 1/3 a cup of that pancake mix, 1/3 a cup of the brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of the ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Go ahead and give that a quick stir to get everything incorporated. Go ahead and grease your loaf pan, your baking dish. Add half of the batter into the baking dish. Spread it out evenly. Then go ahead and add half of the crumb topping that we made. Add that to the middle section of the batter and spread that out evenly as well. Then go ahead and take the rest of your batter and pour that on top of that crumb mixture that you just spread out. And then go ahead and top that with more of that crumble topping and just kind of spread that out evenly over the top. We're going to go ahead and bake that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean when you insert it into the middle. Of course, let your cake cool before serving. And here we have it, guys. This is the pancake coffee cake, full of wonderful flavors that you will find in your morning stack of pancakes. So you can still eat it with your coffee just like you would with a pancake. The texture of the cake was light and fluffy with swirls of cinnamon throughout the cake. And then we had that crumble topping on top that just kind of added a nice little crunch and extra flavor. Definitely give this one a try, especially if you do love a nice stack of flapjacks. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you do love pancakes. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.